Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can remove the fonts from homepage in Tool4seller app. So for removing the fonts we just need to open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the home section. In the bottom left corner we can see in the home section right there, just tap on the bottom left corner. And when we reach here we just need to tap on the top right corner. We can see a plus icon right there, just tap on the top right corner. And here we can see custom homepage option, just tap on the custom homepage option. And here we can see in the left side of the each end section we can just see the red color, just tap on it. So we can see we have been removing the fonts from here. So this is where we can remove the fonts from custom homepage. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.